Meet FiberSeal, your one-stop shop for carpet, rug, and fabric care. For over 50 years, FiberSeal has provided protection, cleaning, and maintenance services for floor coverings and upholstery. We treat both residential and commercial spaces. Let us walk you through these processes. FiberSeal technicians will protect new or freshly cleaned upholstery and floor coverings by applying one of our state-of-the-art protection treatments. Our eco-responsible protection products meet or exceed current federal and state air quality requirements and industry standards. After the protection treatment dries, the absorbency of the fiber is reduced, so most spills can easily be blotted away. Additionally, we offer a complimentary spot cleaning service for spots and spills that are difficult to remove on protected furnishings. Simply call us, and we will send a technician to work on them for no additional charge. As for cleaning, our skilled technicians are experts at removing soils, spots, and spills. We can clean almost any soft surface you have, including wall-to-wall carpet, rugs, upholstery, draperies, and more. Maintaining your furnishings means taking steps to increase the longevity of your soft surfaces. Vacuuming, damp dusting, and rotating cushions are just a few of the things we do to keep your furnishings looking fresh. When you purchase a nice piece of furniture or a posh new rug, you want it to stay looking its best, and we do too. Your FiberSeal representative can create a maintenance plan for your personal collection of fine furnishings, so their original beauty is preserved longer. We work with you in 3 simple steps. First, a FiberSeal representative will evaluate your furnishings, recommend the best fabric care plan for you, and provide an estimate for your review. Next, our experienced technicians will arrive at their scheduled time to apply the appropriate fabric treatments at a time that is convenient for you. Lastly, we will provide a fabric care kit for daily fabric maintenance to minor emergencies, allowing you to easily remove soils, spots, and spills. As always, if any spot persists, we will happily come out to work on them for no additional charge. Have peace of mind and freely enjoy your furniture, knowing that FiberSeal has got you covered. Contact us today to see how we can help you. Superior service, smart solutions. FiberSeal.